Hi, my name is Brett Kegris with Montell Construction, and welcome to our next episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. Today, we're looking at a project we recently finished here in Ada, Michigan. We've got a concrete patio, Trex composite decking and railing, as well as the TEMO Pergola. Why don't you come follow me? We'll take a look at the deck. So as we look at the deck here, I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. We've integrated a couple different colors here in a picture frame. We've got the Trex Select saddle color here with a picture frame in the woodland brown to give you a nice look, kind of picture framing that out. Also with our Trex Reveal railing here, you've got the extruded aluminum, very nice finish, allows you to look out and it almost disappears to the eye. We've integrated that with our TEMO Pergola here. So as you can see, you've got extruded aluminum TEMO Pergola fixed, attached to the home, integrated in with our privacy wall as well. That pergola there is a mocha bronze color. So as we look at the privacy wall here, what we've done is integrated that in with the house as well, making sure that it matches to make sure we fit all that criteria with the siding, giving the homeowner some nice privacy to be away by themselves to enjoy their outdoor living space. So as we step down here to the concrete patio, the homeowner requested to have more space for their big family. So when we look at this here, it's a colored concrete patio, allowing them ample space to host all of their family as well as friends. You'll see also a fire pit here, allowing people to sit around and enjoy the outdoor living space that they've created. This has been Brett with Montell Construction. Thank you again for joining us for another episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. We'll catch you next week.